I'm Ben, this is Bike from the Brink, and I think this is my 10th update on petrol resistance of 3D printer filament. We've gone through a few. This is PET-G, and up to this point has been really good, and still is really good, but lacks a bit of impact strength unless we print it thicker, which is possibly the only solution. We're testing 5mm thick wall of manifolds at the minute. And this is the Strong X and Deep Blue from Liquid Create. I don't even know how they pronounce it. Liquid Create. That's been provided by Pro 3D Shop. Oh, you swine. Right, so that's your Deep Blue, I think that one's called. Memory like a sieve. And this one is Strong X. So these two have both been here 6 days now. That's where we're at. And let's see how they're holding up. So my little test, the first thing to break on the other one was this bit here. But that's looking alright. And that's 9mm thick maybe. That way. So if we take some of that base off. The strength of it that way is more like our 5mm walled carburetors, because these are fractions of millimeters. This bit in particular is very fine, they're almost hair-like pieces here. But yeah, that's holding its strength alright. Now this one, I broke a little bit. Which was the one? Oh, the clear one was snapped here, didn't it? Because it's very thin. Let's see if we can focus. The actual part's holding it on. It's not a solid piece. It's hanging on by virtually nothing. In fact, that's gone now. Let me just compare that with. Oh yeah, that was the one that broke last time. But again, in the direction we're most interested in, there's no give. Squeezing it in that direction. Oh, you know, these delicate bits, they're flexible, but they're not snapping off. What's that? Let's pull on that piece, see what happens. Oh, there we go, managed to break it. Same piece on there. Where is it? Is it that piece? There it is. Oh, it's got more flex, it's not snapping. It's looking like this might be the stronger material. And those hairs, that's how they compare on there with there. I don't know, they're both pretty good materials. It'd be nice to be able to offer two colours as well. Because if this was the only colour that survived, not everybody wants a blue half see-through inlet manifold, do they? Anyway. Oh, something's broken. I felt it come loose. It's that one. was probably 1.5 millimeters thick maybe. Let's have a look at the same piece on here. So it's that piece. Are they a particularly brittle piece? I don't know. But they're holding up pretty well. And again, I know I keep saying it, but they are saturated in E10 fuel, which I'm pouring all over my table. Whereas on a bike, it's going to blow past in a mist form, and even if you get a bit of pooling from engine shutdown or something, you've got evaporation, so you know some of it's going to disappear. But yeah, 6 days, I'm happy enough with that. I'm going to go back and review my videos as well, because there was one made 5 days and I can't remember how brittle it was at 5 days or floppy it was at 5 days, but I know I dismissed it. I'm going to go and check why and see what we can come up with. Now I'm going to do a bit of video magic. We need an editor version of Ben to put a subscribe thing like this, because this is what YouTubers tell you to do. They say click this subscribe thing here and click this like thing here, and that's a thing, and it all helps the channel apparently. The more you like and subscribe, the more my video gets shown to people, so do that one and that one like that. It'll make it hard for Editor Ben to do all this. Thanks for watching.